This is my Trail App Competitive Research and Analysis by Mark Bacon. First application we look at is the All Trails application. This seemed to be the most complete and well thought out. While they offer the most features and functions, they have not quite mastered them all. There are a few quirks that could be improved. Also, not all of the features seemed like something the users would care about. The history just stores the listed recordings of trails that you would have made or gone on. It seems like a waste of resources. Next, we have the Trails app, or trails.com. They have a consistent design theme throughout the application. I don't really see much use for the activity feed since none of them are users I know. It does a great job of helping the user find a trail and then navigates them through to the end. Beyond that, it's pretty plain and simple and straightforward. The Trails Off-Road web-based only application. While it is responsive, the mobile version could be better thought out as the list of trails takes up half the screen. I found that the site seemed out of date and probably could have been benefited from a dedicated mobile app for the user to have more personal controls and guides. Unlike the other options, this site offered a user forum, a blog, and a merchandise store of items that they frequently recommended or heavily used. The off-road trail guide design was very different from the desktop site to the mobile app. This color scheme seems very lacking. I'm not terribly fond of putting buttons at the top of the screen on the mobile app unless they are seldomly used. I like to have the more frequently used options closer to the bottom where my thumb or finger can access it quickly. The last application that we reviewed here, the Off-Road Atlas app, this app had a great concept of being an additional GPS guide in national parks, but in my opinion, it really failed to do this. I downloaded all the trails for the state of Colorado, and nowhere did I see any additional information or notice any change in the behavior of the application. The menu also really doesn't provide you with anything to actually do with the application. I found this one probably the worst, and it just struggled to really offer any benefit to the user. And that is my review of the 5 applications for my project. Thank you.